Oh, yo, it is Gucci, my Brand Flakes viewers. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be an unboxing. I have 4 packages here alongside with a Nike outlet pickup. So yeah, here are the packages, unbaggings, unboxings. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's just hop into the video right now. Alright you guys, so the reason why I've been picking up a lot lately, shout out to those who ordered stuff on the website. You guys helped me purchase outfits for Life is Beautiful, which is a music festival in Las Vegas. I have my pass right here, 3-day general admission. But yeah, so thank you guys for anybody who copped anything on the website. I appreciate you guys. I know there's some items left if you guys want to check that out, help me out, whatever the case is. Keep the videos rolling. Alright you guys, so low-key, I've been copping a lot lately, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos that are about to come out. I do have more packages coming in. I will be doing Life is Beautiful vlogs, and then also some random clips and stuff like that on this channel. I don't know where to throw the Life is Beautiful video on, or whatever the case is, because that video is about to be lit. I'm super excited about it. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. But yeah, so stay tuned for those vlogs. But for now, I'll be unbagging all of this. Let's just hop into the pickups. I have this from Nike, the outlet. You guys know what's up. So I picked these up at the outlet, and a lot of people might be disappointed in me, but I'm not a Warriors fan. But if you guys know me, I stay doing like the little thing under the hip, you know, like this, or like this, a little ball gazer. So I picked up this Stephen Curry Nike t-shirt, and he was doing this. I know it's a 3, as in he just hit a 3, but I stay doing this little, I don't even, like the neck thing, I don't even know what you call it. But I picked this up for like $6, little hooping t-shirt, you know, Steph Curry, shout out to him. I don't like the Warriors, but I think it was funny that he was doing a little ball gazer thing. And then I picked up another pair of Nike ACG shorts. Shout out to the guy who hit me up about copping the purple or the pink pair. He did make a good offer, so I sold it to him. But yeah, so here you guys go. Nike ACG. I picked these up for like $20, I believe. This is the dark obsidian blue pair, size medium. They fit as they do on the last video, whatever the case was. They fit the same, just a different color. Super nice. There you go. $20. I believe those two were like 24, 26 bucks all together. But if you guys know Travis Scott or keep up with Travis Scott, he had the whole merch thing going on. He posted, you know, one a day or one every 24 hours, and then at the end of the week it restocked. I did cop this on the restock, and one of the homies' pairs is actually defective. I'll show a picture up right now. If you guys pay attention to the picture, it was like, you can see where they wanted to screen print it, but it was like to the left or the right a little more. So Miguel, if you're watching this, sorry that your t-shirt came out defective. Hopefully you're still rocking it. But I did pick up a t-shirt. What the hell did I just say? I did pick up a t-shirt from the Astroworld collection. I got a size XL, and I got the Happy Face tee in black. Let's open it up right now. As you guys can see, it says, "Put a happy face on, Astroworld," with the world on it, and then on the back it says "Down to Earth." This is actually a very clean t-shirt. The screen printing is not too cheap. Whatever the case is, it's just a merch t-shirt. You guys know how they usually go about that. But it does say created by Cactus Jack, 100% cotton. I thought that was pretty cool. So Astroworld merch. It doesn't seem defective. I am gonna rock this at Life is Beautiful. The XL low-key does look big, but this is 100% cotton, so they do shrink. But yeah, I believe this was like $50 after shipping and all that stuff. So yeah, there you go. Gonna rock this to Life is Beautiful. If you guys want to see outfits, let me know. I probably will end up posting those anyways, but I'm actually excited because this purple goes with those ACG shorts that I bought. But yeah. Alright you guys, so moving on. These two together are actually making an outfit that I really want to rock. Hopefully it does come out the way I want it to. So open them all together. Shout out to LeBron. Shout out to Mitchell and Ness. You guys know where this is going. I picked this up from Lids because they had free shipping compared to the Mitchell and Ness website, which had like $10 shipping. So yeah, I picked these Mitchell and Ness shorts up. $75 for some goddamn shorts, but they are nice, they are clean, I'm not gonna lie. I like the yellow, I like the purple. Shout out to the Lakers, shout out to LeBron, shout out to Kuzma, shout out to Lonzo. But yeah, there you go. I don't know why I'm shouting out the whole squad, but $75 retail, that's a freaking price to pay. But I feel like these are worth it. I got a size medium. Hopefully they fit the way I want them to. But yeah, so here is the first part of the outfit. Hopefully the second part goes with it. I picked this up from PacSun. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo, you know, just shouting out random people, giving hints what's in this bag. So I went to the mall, I was trying on Fear God stuff. Nice fit, I like the boxy fit, but the mall, my mall, didn't have the sizes I want or the colors I wanted in this t-shirt. So unfortunately, I'm getting texts. I wanted the long sleeve or the short sleeve like boxy tee, but they sold out, so I had to settle for the long sleeve tee. But yeah, here you go. Fear God Essential Collection, PacSun. This I think this was like 50 bucks too. I got free shipping. So yeah, here you go. Essentials, whatever the case is. This was from PacSun, size medium. Hopefully it does fit the way I want it to. But yeah, so black long sleeve, it is elongated. The sleeves are super long and boxy. And then on the back, it does say Essentials. And then Fear God Essentials stuff right here. Pretty nice t-shirt, really nice to wear in the winter time. I was gonna rock this with these shorts and then a Supreme side bag that I picked up as I go grab it. I forgot to throw this in the video, but I was gonna rock like these three all together with a gold chain. Let me know if that's too little hype beastie. I'm sure it is, but I don't give a fuck because I dress the way I like to dress. And also, yeah, so I picked this up. Alright, you guys, so yeah, sorry the camera cut off, but shout out to Savon for this pickup. I picked this up for like $160, which is not too bad because on StockX they're going for like $230, I believe. This might go up on the site after Life is Beautiful, I'm not gonna lie, just because I want the black one. So I will put it up for $160 after Life is Beautiful. Let me know if you guys want to cop it. Let me know if that's a good deal. But I was gonna rock all three of these together. Let me know how you feel about that fit. I'll probably post the video anyways as I go to Life is Beautiful this weekend. But yeah, so there you guys go. 3 pickups, Supreme bag, Essentials tee, and Mitchell and Ness shorts. Crazy pickups. I'm super hyped. And moving on. Alright, you guys, last but not least, I have a pair of shoes that I already opened. I'm not gonna lie, I opened it, you guys can see. The reason why I opened it before the video is because I was worried about sizing. I was texting the homies and they said that they fit a little too tight, whatever the case was. I went in 9.5 and then I had to search up on some local Vegas sneakerhead Facebook groups, and I size swapped for 20 bucks as for a size 10. The 9.5 was a little too tight on the toe box part, but I did get a size 10. So here you guys go, straight from Yeezy Supply, or it was straight from Yeezy Supply. Yeah, so I don't know what the fuck is going on with my eye, but yeah, straight from Yeezy Supply. Before I did the size swap, picked these up, $320 after shipping. Screw Yeezy Supply because the next day or the next couple days they put free shipping for the cream white Yeezys, which I don't appreciate because I could have used that 20 bucks. But $320 after shipping, no taxes. Here you guys go. Dad shoe of the year. Yeezy Wave Runner. Bam. Size 10, not a 9.5 because I had to size swap. But boom, there you guys go. I picked these up. These are the ultimate dad shoe, everybody's calling them. Yeah, so I already opened these. Screw the unboxing. I'm sorry, I messed it up, I know. But yeah, Yeezy dad shoes. Shout out to the homie, the Dad Life, Rafi. If you guys want to check out his channel, it'll be right here. He has been posting a lot, so I do appreciate that because that motivates me to post a lot. So Rafi, if you're watching this, appreciate you, bruh. This pickup is for you with your Yeezys and your dad shoes. And stuff like that. But yeah, here you guys, if you guys want my like overall opinion on this shoe, I feel like this shoe grew on everybody. Everybody was hating it at first. I honestly was hating it at first, and then I saw the homie or my uncle wearing these and I was like, yo, those are actually clean. But I picked these up retail, super hyped about it, and they're really nice. Honestly, you just have to wear them the right way. I think the colors are awesome and everything like that. But the thing is, everybody has a pair now, so I'm not gonna rock these until like next summer. I feel like this is a summer shoe, not a winter shoe. But yeah, so the jet skis, the wave runners, the 700s, the dad shoe of the year, whatever you guys want to call them, pick them up. There you go. And yeah, so that wraps up the video. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed these pickups on pickups on pickups. The reason why I went ham is because every music festival event, I just feel like I have to look nice, you know, take the pictures for the gram. I'm not trying to flex or anything, but I just like to take nice Instagram pictures, and it was time for me to get new clothes anyways. So quick rundown: Astroworld merch, Supreme bag, Mitchell and Ness shorts, shout out to LeBron, Essentials tee, shout out to Jerry Lorenzo, even though I feel like he's an asshole in real life. And then also shout out to Kanye. I know Drake had sex with your wife, so I apologize, but I'm still copping your shoes. And yeah, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And then also stay tuned for the vlogs and then more videos from Life is Beautiful. I just stuttered when I had a good outro, so I'm gonna keep that in there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good day.